Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and warm greetings from Busy. My name is Mansi Rihani and today we are conducting a webinar on Busy or for electronic shop. In this webinar, I will explain all the steps for the configuration of Busy for electronic shop. Through this presentation, we will understand how to manage electric business in Busy. First, I will present you the topic Busy for electronic shop with the help of PPT, and after that I will explain show practical step in Busy. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask at the end of the session. Now I'm starting the presentation. Busy for electronic industries. The electronic industry is one of the widely spread industries due to its high-end solutions. Without electronics, we cannot imagine our world. From automobiles to computers to telecommunications, the electronic sector is gaining popularity. That's where Busy comes in. Busy is a comprehensive business, accounting, and management software that can help electronic shops and manufacturers improve their operational efficiency and increase productivity. What are the benefits of electronic shop? POS with barcode and settlement. We can manage fast billing, means we can manage fast billing for invoices. We can manage POS, point of sale in that case. We can scan the barcode at the time of invoicing. Also, we can print the barcode while invoicing. On which mode the customer is doing the payment, in UPI mode, on the check mode, on the cash mode, in which mode the customer is paying the payment. We can manage those things in Busy through settlement options. Serial number with warranty tracking. We can manage unique serial number for each item, or also we can manage its warranty tracking. Brand and category wise reporting. We can manage brands like Samsung, LG, Philippines, etc. Or also we can manage the category wise stock reporting. We can check the stock report on the basis of brand category like Samsung, LG, Philips, etc. We can check the reported on the basis of category. Quotation order challan management. We can see manage quotation order challan management in Busy. First, we have to pass the quotation voucher. The first quotation voucher has been passed. You have to pass the order process. After that, through quotation, we can adjust the reference in your order voucher. After, you can manage the sale voucher, the order pending order reference number, we can adjust in the challan voucher. In the final statement, we can do the invoices. The pending challan number, we can adjust in the invoice. That the process, we can manage quotation. Quotation reference can be adjusted in order. Order reference can be adjusted in challan. Challan reference can be adjusted in invoice. That is your sales invoice in Busy. So these are the features we can manage in Busy. Quotation, order, challan management in Busy we can manage. Configurable invoice printing. As per the user configuration, we can design the printing of invoice. Like 3-inch format you want to print, 4-inch format you want to print. As per the configuration of users, as per the configuration of your company, as per your needs of company, you can configure the format on the basis of that. Salesman with commission. In your company, if you have a various salesman, you can manage its commission. If you have an incentive on your salesman, you can check the incentive. What are the incentive it can take with your salesman. So you can manage salesman with commission and Busy. Target management. Like you will have a party ABC. We can manage the target on the basis of your company, on the basis of your broker name, on the basis of your salesman name, on the basis of your item, on the basis of your party. You have a various option on target. We can manage the target on the basis of broker name, on the basis of party name, on the basis of item name. We have a various options of target management in Busy. So you can manage target in Busy with various options. Inventory management, multi godown. If you have a godown like your showroom, you have a multiple godown in your various locations. If you have a various showrooms in your different location, you can manage multi godown features in Busy. That can be managed like various location have various godowns. You can manage multiple godowns in your Busy in one go, in a one company, in a single company. Also, you can track the stock as per your godowns. MIS report. We have a various MIS report available in Busy cash flow, fund flow, MIS report on the basis of profitability, bill-wise profitability, item-wise profitability, salesman-wise profitability. You have a various reports like bill-wise, item-wise, party-wise. We have a various options, salesman-wise options, profitability report we can manage in Busy. Scheme and offers. If you are using an electronic shop, we generate scheme on the basis of your festivals like Diwali, Holi, or the New Year party. You have the scheme we have generate on various options. So we can generate the scheme on the various options we have in Busy. We have 4 type of scheme which can be managed with item. For the same item, you are generating the scheme. For the different item, you are generating the scheme. For the price level, you are generating the scheme. Various options we can maintain in Busy for schemes. Scheme can be managed in Busy. Finance options, EMI calculation. Using bill by bill feature, you can enable EMI calculation on the basis of monthly target or the quarterly target. Using bill by bill feature, we can maintain EMI options like you purchase a fridge. The fridge has been purchased by customer on the basis of EMI for the calculation of per monthly 9,000 per year. So you can calculate the EMI on the basis of bill by bill. We have an option of Busy for EMI calculation. We can manage with bill by bill options. Party-wise pricing structure. You have a different parties, corporate clients, you have a end user clients, you have a B2B clients like business to business clients. For different customers, you apply different prices for each item. So we have options in Busy. You can maintain party item wise price structure. You can select the item. You can select the party group. On the basis of party group, you can set the prices for item. For different parties, you can set the prices for your each item. So you have option in Busy. You can maintain party item wise price structure in Busy. Item description for extra information. If you have an extra description for your item, like Godrej TV has item description like its colors, its description like its model number, everything extra information can be maintained in item description. We have an option in Busy. You can maintain item description for extra information in Busy. Sales and purchase analysis with graphs. You can see the sale purchase analysis report on the basis of graph. You have a pie chart option, you have a graph option, you have a various breakdown option. We have a given in sale purchase analysis in Busy. Text inclusive and exclusive billing. You have an option of text inclusive and exclusive billing. If you have a B2B customer, you have to claim the ITC. In that case, you have to select the exclusive billing in which the payment has been, the GST tax has been seen. In that case, you have to select the exclusive billing bill. In case of your B2C customer, it means business to customer billing you are done. In that case, the prices are also, the GST taxes are also included in your price itself. So you can select the tax inclusive in that case. Tax inclusive billing you can done in that case. SMS, email, WhatsApp integration. We have option to send SMS. We have an option to send email. We have an option to send notification of WhatsApp integration we have in Busy. So we have a various options of SMS, email, WhatsApp integration we can done in Busy. On purchasing any item, we can send a SMS. Direct SMS can be sent on saving the invoice to customers. What are the implementation steps in Busy? Company. First, you have to create the company. Second step, you have to do the configuration. You have to enable various features in configuration for electronic shops. I will show you practical and Busy for that. Masters. After doing the configuration, we have to create the masters in Busy, like account master, salesman master, item master, other master you have to create in Busy. Transaction. After doing the part master, you have to pass the transaction like your quotation voucher, your order voucher, your challan voucher, your sale voucher, your purchase voucher. Various transaction you have to pass in Busy. Stock transfer voucher we can pass in Busy. Print. After saving the transaction, you can print the invoice. Reports. After printing the invoice, you can see the reports, various reports you can see in Busy. We have a various reports available for electronic shop in Busy. Company. First, we have to create the company. On creating the company, you have to select the industry type as retail and nature of work as retailer. You can select these type of industry type and nature of work while creating the company. This is the configuration of creating the company. You have to define the name. You have to define the print name, short name, address, country, state, financial year beginning from, industry type, nature of work. You can define all the information while creating the company. It's GST number also. Configuration. What are the configuration we have to do in Busy? For the first account configuration, what we have to do, we have to enable bill by bill details. For bill by bill details, we can track what is the EMI options for that particular customers on the basis of its reference. The second option is target. We can define the target on the basis of broker, on the basis of item, on the basis of account master. Enable party dashboard. We can see the party dashboard while invoicing. Maintain instrument detail. We can define the instrument detail. On enabling the instrument detail, we can define this is belong to NEFT, this is belong to check, this is belong to UPI, or what else configuration we have to do. We can select at the time of back instrument details. Salesman broker wise reporting. We can enable salesman broker wise reporting. If you have various salesmen in your company, in your showroom, we can enable salesman feature. On the basis of salesman, we can set the target what is the commission percentage we have to give to the salesman, particular salesman. On the basis of salesman, you can define what is the percentage you can given commission on the basis of your invoice, on the basis of your sales. Configuration for inventory. Enable multi go down inventory. First, we have to enable multi go down inventory. For various go downs we have in different location, we can manage multiple go downs in one go in your single company. Enable sale quotation. If you have enable sale quotation, we have an option in Busy. You can enable that feature. You can first pass the quotation voucher in Busy. Enable order processing. First, you have to enable the order processing. After passing the quotation voucher, you can adjust the quotation reference number in your order purchase voucher number. After enabling the order processing, we have to enable sale purchase challan. On passing the order voucher, we can adjust the pending order reference number in your challan voucher. Maintain item category. We can maintain item category in Busy. We can maintain brand name like Samsung, LG, etc. Brand name we can maintain on the basis of your item. No need to maintain multiple items in single item. You can create like fridge. On the basis of item category, you can define fridge belongs to Samsung. This is the stock. This is for the LG item. This is the item category. On the basis of brand, you can maintain. Enable scheme. You can enable scheme in your inventory feature on the basis of your festival, on the basis of your financial year, on the basis of your other things. You can enable the scheme and set the item as per your free quantity or different prices. You can maintain, enable the scheme. Serial number wise detail. As you know, each item have unique serial number in your electronic shop. You can maintain unique serial number for each item. For each item, you can maintain unique serial number that is can be maintained with serial number wise detail. Also, we can maintain warranty in that case. Item wide discount. We can enable item wide discount if you want to give particular for which particular items you want to give discount. You can give discount on particular items. You can maintain item-wide discount in that case. Item pricing mode and voucher. We can set item price-wise party item-wise discount structure. You can enable item pricing mode and voucher. We have a various option like item pricing mode and voucher. You can maintain in that case for the particular party ABC. You can set the price A, X, Y, Z. For a particular party BCD, you can maintain different prices. On the basis of different parties, on the basis of different item, you can maintain different parties. On the invoice, it will automatically pick your prices on the basis of your party and the basis of your item. Configuration, voucher series configuration. What are the voucher series configuration we have to do in Busy? First, we have to enable item-wide discount. For particular item, we have to give a discount. So in voucher series configuration, we can enable item-wide discount and maintain separate billing shipping detail. If we are using cash or bank while selecting our party, if you also want to manage your party details like to whom you are purchasing the goods or whom you are selling the goods, you want to maintain those things, you can maintain party name as only cash and bank, and billing shipping detail, you can maintain its mobile number, you can maintain its name, you can maintain its address. It will ask you in voucher. The third option is auto round off final amount. The sum amount is 118.69. It will round off the 69 amount in the final amount in your bill amount. So you can use that option auto round off final amount. On saving the voucher, it will automatically auto round off your final bill amount on the basis of 0.50 minus, on the basis of 0.50 plus, it will do the +1. Print sale invoice after saving. On saving the invoice, selling the sales invoice, it will automatically ask you print the sales invoice. You have to enable the option. It will automatically print your invoice. Send SMS after saving. On saving the voucher, it will show you the notification send SMS after saving. If you enable this option, a SMS will be sent to your customer. Send email after saving. On enable send email after saving, on send email, it will automatically send an email to our customer. This item has been purchased on this date with this amount. All the details as per your condition, as per your requirement, it can be done through Busy. POS configuration we have to enable in Busy. For the fast billing process, we have to enable the point of sale in Busy. Point of sale. What are the configuration we have to do for POS? That means point of sale. We have to define the date. We have to define the sale type, tran type, party name we can contain. We can maintain the bill sundry type. If you want to maintain the pick item from barcode, if you want to pick item from your barcode, you can enable this option. For this option, what you can do is you can just need to scan the barcode. It will automatically pick your item in your invoice. You can enable the settlement mode, in which mode you are doing the payment. In the cash mode you are doing the payment, in the UPI mode you are doing the payment, in the check mode you are doing the payment, in NEFT mode you are doing the payment, in which mode your customer is doing the payment. So you can enable the settlement option in Busy in the POS configuration. After doing the configuration, we have to create the item master. On enabling the item master, you have to define the opening stop. While defining or not defining the opening stop, you have an option of maintain serial number. You have to enable serial number wise detail. In the right hand side, you can see the option serial number wise detail. You have to enable. On enabling this option, a pop-up window will pop up for the warranty and the serial number wise detail. If you want to track sales warranty, you can tick that option. It will track your warranty also. You have to enable serial number wise detail in your item master. After creating the item master, you have to create the salesman. If you have a various salesman in your showroom, you can create the master for your salesman and tag your account, for which account has to be credited in your salesman. The salesman account you have to define. For the percentage, you can define for what percentage you are giving the commission. After doing the salesman creating master, what you have to do, you have to set item price structure. As I told you, you have to select the party group wise, party item wise, or party all parties you have to select. I selected party group wise. For corporate customers, I loaded the items. We can set the discount on the basis of, for corporate customers, the air conditioner discount will be given to 28%. For corporate customer party group, the microwave item will be given at 30% discount. So for each account group, we can set, for each item group, for each account group and item group, we can set the discount structure on the basis of, we have a various options: party item group wise, party item group wise, party item wise, party item group wise. We have a various option in Busy. You can maintain it. Party item price discount structure. After doing this configuration, we have to enable the scheme. On enabling the scheme pop-up window will come. You have to add a scheme master that this is the Diwali of offer. We have to define the date, from which date range you have to define the timing, from which date to end date. We have to define the timing also. This is the optional one. We have to define the timings or not. If you want to define the timing, we have given already option. We can maintain the timing option also. From which timing to which timing you can maintain the scheme. For sales, we have selected all series. For particular this item groups, the quantity will be this and the discount will be given to particular this. This is how you can add the scheme master in Busy. Transaction. After doing all the configuration, we have to pass the purchase voucher. On doing the purchase voucher, on selecting the item, what we have to do on selecting the item, serial number wise detail is already enabled in your item master. It will, after defining the quantity, it will ask you the pop-up window for serial number. You have to define unique each serial number for your each item, that this is the serial number for your quantity 1, this is the color, this is the mobile number, model number, this is your sale price for this item, what is the MRP price. For second quantity, what is the serial number, what is the third quantity, what is the serial number for this third quantity, what is the MRP, sale price, model number, what is the color for this particular item. That can be maintained in Busy. On doing the purchase voucher, on passing the sale voucher, it will pop. On selecting the item, it will pop up the window. All the pending serial number that can be maintained in during purchase voucher, that can be adjusting during sale voucher. If you have to select the item, you can adjust it in your sale voucher. you can define the sale voucher. On saving the sale voucher, it will ask you the settlement mode, on which settlement mode you are doing the payment, in the UPI mode, in the check mode, in the cash mode, on which mode you are doing the payment for your customer. You can define the cash, whether it's UPI or it's check. At last, we can see the reports. We have a various reports in Busy, sales reports and register. We can see sale reports, various sale reports, monthly basis, daily basis, party item wise, various reports. We have a Busy option we have given. Settlement summary and details. You have a various report like settlement summary and details. We can check on which mode we are given the payment to customers. Commission calculation. Third calculation is commission calculation. On the basis of your salesman, you can define the salesman calculation. Salesman calculation, you can define what is the calculation we can define for the particular salesman. This is a salesman ABC. For particular salesman ABC, the commission is 9%. On the basis of your sale, like 90,000 this is your sale price. On the basis of that, it will calculate the commission, or you can see the report on the basis of commission calculation. Stock status. We have a various report of stock status in Busy. You can see group wise, columnar wise, on the basis of monthly, daily, closing stock, opening stock. We have a various report of stock status in Busy. Serial number wise reporting. We have an option of serial number wise reporting in Busy. We can see the warranty, we can show the installation details. We have a various options of serial number wise reports in Busy. Quotation, order, challan reports. We have a various reports like quotation, order, challan reports in Busy. You can see the pending reference number of your quotation reference number, order reference number, or the challan reference number. Scheme reports. You can see the scheme reports for which item the scheme has been applied, on which voucher the scheme has been applied. You can see all the reports on the basis of scheme. GST reports. You have given various reports in Busy like GST summary, GST reports. We have given GST returns. You can see the sale purchase on the basis of your GST. MIS reports. We have various options of MIS item-wise profitability report, bill-wise profitability report, salesman-wise profitability report, party-wise item profitability report, cash flow, fund flow. Various reports we have given in Busy for MIS reports. Sales and purchase analysis. We have a various option of sales and purchase analysis in Busy. We can see the reports on the basis of your graph pie chart. On the basis of its graph, you can see various reports in Busy on the basis of sale purchase analysis. Now we'll move to the practical session in Busy. This is the company I created, Busy Electronic Shops. First, what we have to do is we have to create the company. On creating the company, what are the configuration we have to do? We have to define the company name. We have to define the print name. We have to define the financial year beginning from, book commencing from. We have to define the retail type. We have to define the nature of work. All the details can be mentioned while creating the company. You can define the CA details also here. First step is company creation. After creating the company, you have to do the configuration. For configuration, we have to go to administration, configuration, features and options, accounts. In accounts, you have to enable bill features first. On bill by, if you want to maintain bill by bill narration, you can enable this option, enable bill by bill reference narration. Second option is target. You can, if you want to define the target, you can enable the feature target in your account master. After that, you can enable the enable party dashboard. After that, you can maintain bank instrument details. If you are ever PDC check, post dated check, you can maintain also that feature in Busy, post dated check in payment receipt voucher. If you are using salesman, you can enable this option. On clicking the configuration, we have to define the salesman. What is a salesman? What is the caption for commission? Thus, commission will be calculated on the basis of voucher level or item level. Voucher level, on which voucher it will calculate the commission, on the sale voucher, purchase voucher, receipt voucher, or the payment voucher. Commission will be calculated on which basis, on which master it will ask you, party master, salesman master, as specified below. This is the configuration we have to do for account. After doing the configuration, you have to do the configuration for your inventory. The tab will be given in below inventory. First, we have to enable multi go down feature, which is not highlighted. As I already passed the voucher, we have to enable the option. If you have a single multi go down in your busy, you have to enable this option, enable multi go down inventory. After that, you have to enable sale quotation voucher. After that, you have to enable order processing voucher. After that, you have to enable sale purchase challan. After that, you have to enable item category. Second left hand side, second last option, item category. What is the caption type for your item category? You can maintain the brand name. So you can define the brand name as your caption in your item category. After enabling the item category, you can enable the scheme. This is the option for scheme. This is the option for scheme. You can enable this option. After that, you can maintain serial numbers wise detail. On clicking the configure option, we can maintain item serial number warranty also, item serial number description also, item serial number installation details also. You can maintain the sale price of your serial number. You can maintain the MRP of your serial number. If you want to adjust without stock, don't allow, you can set allow, don't allow, allow with warning. It will pop up as per your selection. You can maintain the serial number image also. You can set the path over here. You can set the path and it will show you the serial number wise detail image also. After enabling the option, you have to enable item pricing mode in voucher. On clicking the item pricing mode in voucher, we have an option for sale and for purchase. For sale item pricing mode, we have selected mix mode. Item pricing mode structure discount structure as mix mode. This is the configuration we have to do for inventory. After doing the accounts configuration or inventory configuration, we have to do the voucher series configuration. For that, we have to go to administration configuration, voucher series configuration. For the sales, we have to do the voucher series configuration. You have to select your series and main. As main, you have to click on voucher configuration. As I enable item wise discount over here, you can enable the discount. You can create the discount structure over here like discount. This is the simple discount or the compound discount with same nature or the compound discount with different nature. You can define the absolute amount, the per main quantity amount, per rate packaging quantity amount, or the alternate quantity or the percentage amount. You can select the basis on, you can feed the amount on, feed the basis on the basis of your discount amount. After creating the discount structure, you can enable billing shipping details only for cash and bank. On selecting the party as only cash and bank, it will pop up the window for billing shipping details. We can define the party name, we can define the party mobile number, we can define the party name, we can define the party address over here in billing shipping details. If you want to maintain the billing shipping detail, if you want to track your party details like its mobile number, like its name, or its your address. After enabling your shipping details, we have to enable auto round off. On enable the auto round off option, what you have to do, or this is the amount, the final amount is 179.80. On enabling this option, auto round off final amount, it will automatically calculate your bill amount as 180. It will auto round off your final bill amount. After enabling this option, you have to enable print sales invoice after saving. Print enable sales invoice after saving. On clicking the On saving the sales invoice, it will automatically pop up a window for print sale invoice. On print sale invoice, it will pop up your screen. You can print the invoice directly while saving the voucher. Send SMS after saving your voucher. On saving your voucher, automatic SMS will be go to your customer at your client on which mobile number which you mention on the screen. Send email after saving. On saving the invoice, after saving the invoice, it will send an email pop-up on the mentioned email ID. This is for the configuration we have to do for voucher series configuration. For fast billing, we have to do the POS configuration. We have to enable this option, POS configuration. On clicking the option as enable POS data entry, we have a configure tab advanced POS option. On selecting this tab, you have to select the configuration, date, sale type, tran type, party name, cash. If you want to pick the item name from barcode, you can enable this option. You just have to nothing. You just have to scan the item. You just have to scan the barcode. It will automatically pick your item during your sale voucher. You can define the discount if you want to give discount in your bill sundry or each voucher. You can define the bill sundry. It will automatically click your discount bill sundry in your sale voucher. In which mode you are doing the payment, you can enable this option, settlement mode. We can define the cash, in which mode, cash mode or the UPI mode or the check mode, on which mode you are, NEFT mode, on which mode you are doing the customer is paying the amount. You can define the caption over here like cash, UPI, phone pay, card or check. This is the POS configuration we have to do. First, we have to create the company. After that, you have to enable the account. Various features we have to enable as I told you. After that, we have to enable various features for inventory as I shown you. After doing the inventory feature, we have to do the voucher series configuration. After doing the configuration, we have to create the barcode master. Add-on, configure barcode label. This is the format which I already configured. Configure format, configure label. This is the format which I configured, company name. This is the barcode name. This is the QR code, item name, item serial number, its MRP. This is the barcode we can configure in Busy. After doing the configuration, creating the barcode format, we can create the account. On creating the account, we have to go to administration, masters, account, list. As I already created the master, you have to click on list, standard format, group of account, debtors. These are the masters which I already created. I can select the local customer. This is the customer. This is the corporate customer. On the grouping can be done under sundry creditors. After enabling or creating the account master, we have to create the item master. Let me show you how to create your item master. I will show you the list first. This is the items which are created in Busy. This is the Godrej double door refrigerator. This is the alias for this item. This is the grouping. This is the item category we can manage like Godrej. This is the serial number wise detail. You can enable this option to maintain unique serial number for each item. This is the item description we can manage in Busy like 4-star, double door, compressor, tower or what. You can define the description. This is how we can create the item in Busy by enabling the option serial number wise detail. After creating the item master, we have to create the salesman. For salesman, we have to go to administration, masters, salesman. I already created 3 salesmen. I will show you the first one. This is the Arun salesman I created. This is the address for your salesman. This is the mobile number, your email ID. What is the percentage you have to give it to particular this account, but Arun salesman? You can define the percentage For particular each salesman, you can define the percentage. For particular each salesman, what is the percentage you can define in your item master. This is the account master which I created as Arun salesman, on which amount has been credited to your salesman. This is how you have to create the salesman master. After creating the salesman master, we have to set the item price wise discount structure. For that, we have to go to administration, configuration, party item wise price structure, sales. You have to select the corporate customers. This is the item group, air conditioners. The discount will be given to 28%. Microwave, the discount percentage will be given as 30%. As for the account group, you can set the discount, set the sale price, or you can set the MRP, or you can set the discount as per your item group. You have a various option at party item group wise, party group item group wise, party group item wise, party item wise. You can set the configuration for party item wise discount structure. After doing the configuration for party item wise discount structure, we have to create the item wise master for scheme. For that, we have to go to administrator, master, scheme. I already created one, Diwali offer and New Year offer. This is the time period. The caption name is New Year offer. This is the option. This is the date range. If you want to define the timing, you can define the timing over here. After that, for which voucher we have to enable the scheme. For sales voucher, we have to enable the scheme. For sale voucher, you can enable the scheme. You have to take that option. For individual item, you have given the scheme. For the clubbed on item, you have to given the scheme, or at the voucher, you have to given the scheme. On the which basis you have given the scheme, on the basis of that you can say item wise or item group we are giving the scheme. For that you have to set the configuration. You have a 4 type of scheme. Price, if you have a different price on the related to your scheme, you can set the prices for your scheme. It will pick the prices on the basis of your scheme on the following of your date. If you have given the particular discount on the basis of particular period, you can define the discount over there. It will automatically pick the discount if that voucher date will fall in your date range of your scheme. Free, discounted, same item. If you have given the same item as free, you can define the free quantity as same item. If you have different item scheme, if you have given the microwave item, with microwave we have given a spoon free, you have to select as different item as scheme. For this item, this is the washing machine, fully automatic. We have given the free item as given oven. What is the free quantity given on purchasing the fully automatic as 1 quantity? The more oven will be given as free quantity as 1 quantity. The price will be charged as 0. So this is how we can create the scheme. After creating the scheme, what we have to do, we have to define the target. For that, we have to go to administration, configuration, target, sales, target. On selecting the target mode, we can define this is the broker name, this is my salesman name. For this is the target for particular this salesman. This is the incentive for particular this target. For start target to, this is the incentive rate. So this is how we can set up as per your broker. We have various options like party item wise, party group wise, item wise, broker wise, party group wise, item group wise, party item wise, party group item wise, party item group wise, party group item group wise, broker item party wise, broker party group wise, broker item wise, broker item group wise. Various options we have given in Busy. After doing the configuration for the target, we have to pass the voucher first. Quotation voucher we have to pass. This is the quotation voucher which I created. This is the cash voucher. After passing the quotation voucher, we have to pass the order voucher. We have to press F11 key. This is the quotation voucher, or we can set the reference, adjust the reference in your order voucher. The auto reference number will automatically picked. We have to save the voucher. On saving the order voucher, you have to save the challan voucher. For that, we have to go to material issue to party voucher. Sale challan. F11. This is the order number. You can adjust the reference over here. F11 is the key through which we can adjust the voucher, quotation voucher in your order. After order, we can adjust the challan voucher. After doing the sale challan voucher, we can adjust the challan voucher in your invoice through F11 key. After the all process, we have to pass the sale voucher. Again, challan. F11 key. This is a pending challan voucher. It will show you. We have to take this option. Automatically, item will appear. The prices will be picked. On saving the voucher, it will ask you on which mode you are doing the payment. Let's suppose 10,000 is the amount we are giving on cash mode. Remaining amount will be given on this mode. So this is how you can maintain in Busy. Narration, bank, cash. This is how. On saving the voucher, it will ask you for print the invoice, or it will ask you for send email. You have to define the email ID, or you can send the you have to do the configuration, send SMS, send a message. You have to define the mobile number over here. The attachment will be gone as off. After doing the configuration, what we have to do? We have to do the purchase voucher. Purchase voucher I already created. I will show you the master. This is the item which I created. This is the go down one. These are the unique serial number which I defined. This is the MRP. This is the sale price. This is a model number. With this is the color for particular this serial number. We can define the sale voucher over here. On adjusting the sale voucher, it will show you the serial number wise report. You can adjust the reference number that this is the serial number we are selling right now. We can take the option that serial number has been adjusted against your sale voucher. This is the voucher entry we can create it in Busy. If you want to do the stock transfer, like if you want to transfer your stock from your godown to your showroom as your sample pieces, you can we have option of Busy. We can pass the stock transfer voucher. I already created one. If you want to pass the godown voucher, this is the godown, this is the showroom. From godown, we are sending the goods to your showroom. We can define the item, we can define the quantity, how many quantities we are sending from godown to your showroom. We can adjust the reference for which serial number you are sending the reference. So this is the stock transfer report we can manage in Busy. Godowns, we can create from account administration masters, account material center, godown, showroom. This is a showroom you can maintain like this. Its address, godown, stock its address you can be maintained in BG. After doing the configuration, I will show you how to add the voucher for scheme. I will show you the scheme first. That this is the scheme. The date range is 1124. The scheme is fully automatic. Now I'm adding the sale voucher. The date range is 1124. The item is fully automatic Godrej washing machine. On setting the option, we have to adjust the which serial number we are adjusting. Press OK. See, it showing in red color. That means it will automatically pick your scheme. If I click on scheme, check scheme, this is the new year offer. If I purchase Godrej washing machine fully automatic one quantity for this amount, the oven has been free. This is showing in red color. This means the scheme has been applied in your voucher. Send SMS, send email. This is the configuration you can see. On saving the voucher, this is the invoice image you can see. This is a free quantity. Zero amount has been shown, though this is the free item. If you want to print the barcode also, you can. We have an option in BG. You want to print brand barcode. The format which I created, you have to press Alt P, item barcode, barcode, OK, preview. These are the barcode which can be generated from BG. After doing the configuration for transaction, we have to go to the reporting part. We can add report to favorites. We have various reports in BG. GST reports, GST summary, input GST, output GST, purchase will go to input GST. All the sale voucher will be given to output GST. We can see all the vouchers: opening balance, input GST, ITC adjustment, RCM, output GST. All the configuration, all the voucher will fall as per the condition has been passed in voucher. You can add to favorite like administration, GST reports, GST summary, add to favorites. This is how you can add to favorites your reports. GST returns, we have GST register, we have audit reports, we have second report is godown wise, brand wise stock. This is closing. This is a stock status report. I renamed the report as godown wise, brand wise stock status report. Closing stock alphabetical, columnar, all items. It will ask you the brand name for particular which brand name you have to see the report: Godrej, LG, Samsung, Tata, Voltas, etc. You can select the brand name and see the report as per the stock. This is the stock in your showroom. This is the stock in your godown. The total stock as main quantity as 9 unit. This is the stock you can see as per your material center wise. MIS with graph. You can see the remote MIS with graph. This is the graph report. You can click on this option. This is the pie chart. We have given the option graph file report. We have given. This is a very powerful report and given in BG. We can see month wise. This is the Godrej refrigerated. This is the April month. For May quantity, one quantity have been sold. For this item has been sold. This is a pie chart. Graph chart we can see. Payment reminder, due bills, all parties. We can see the preview. This is a preview of your due bills. These are the due bills for your party. Profitability report, bill wise options you have party wise, MC wise, material center wise, salesman wise, item serial number wise, reconcile item GST profit. Bill wise profitability report you can see on clicking this option. It will show you account. Malab party wise you can see sale amount, cost amount, what is the profit amount or what is the loss amount. Party item wise, all account. Account master wise, it will show you the profit. Material center wise, all MC. As per your godown, this is the profit report. Salesman wise, all salesmen. This is a salesman wise profit report. You can see item wise, all voucher, all items. This is the item details. This is the amount in, this is the amount out, what is the gross profit, what is the GP ratio, item serial number wise profitability report, all items detailed. You can see the report on the basis of that this is the material center has go down. This is a material issue, purchase voucher, material issue voucher, purchase voucher, sale voucher. All the voucher will be given in list. Quotation, challan, order wise report, pending quotation, item wise, all items. If you have any pending, it will show you pending quantity over here. If you have a quotation wise statement, you can check over here. Pending order, if you have any pending order, it will show you over here. Like this is the pending order we have in busy right now. Order wise statement, you can check short sale order date wise. This is a report we can check. Challan wise statement. This is a challan wise statement you can check. This is a go down material center. This is a full quantity, cleared quantity, pending quantity. All the detailed report will be shown over here. Salesman commission calculation report. It will show you salesman commission wise calculation report. All salesmen have to define the date range. This is the Arun salesman. Bill amount is this, sale amount is this. This is the commission for sales for the particular Arun salesman. This is for the Harish salesman. This is the commission for failed sale voucher. This is the Radhika salesman commission is this amount. You can see this report. Scheme report, you can see scheme used in voucher for the New Year voucher, all party, all. This is the cash voucher. This is the scheme has been applied. This is the voucher has been applied for scheme settlement details, all settlement mode. This is a settlement mode, payment mode, cash mode, card mode, check mode, or what mode we are doing the payment for your customer. Settlement summary, series wise you can check. This is the cash amount, check amount, the UPI amount, or the NEFT amount. You can see the report on the basis of your settlement summaries, series wise, user wise, serial number wise reports and warranty. Serial number wise stock you can check all items. It will show you all the details, quantity, total quantity, all the details will be shown as per your material center. Serial number wise history you can see for particular this serial number. This is the sale voucher. This is a purchase voucher for particular this item name. This is a warranty date under warranty. Yes, you can see the details like this. Aging, serial number wise history aging. This is the aging report, on which report it's falling the period in under cross 151 days, it crossing the date. Installation detail. We have an option of like this install in on which date the item has been installed. Like this is the item LG split AC. This is the particular serial name. This is the invoice number, invoice date. What is the installation date? What is the organization name? We can define the details from here. We can define the details from administration, miscellaneous data entry, serial number wise detail. We can define the item name, its serial number, automatically invoice number, invoice date will pick. So you can check the report wise. On account serial number entry. If you have any on account serial number which has not has been adjusted yet, had to be adjusted, we can see the report on account. What is the difference amount? Target report sale wise. All brokers. This is the target for the Arun. This is for the Harish, for the Radhika. This is the target amount. This is the sale amount has been done for this particular. What is the variance report? What is the incentive amount for particular this broker wise? All these reports has been available in Busy. So you can manage electronic business very well in Busy. Thank you for your precious time. I hope you all understand the topic. Please do practice for your better knowledge.
हेलो हंसी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
तो ठीक है, आप म्यूट कर लो एक बार अपने आप को. Yeah, I can see that there are 25 participants from the partner community. There are two things. One thing is, if you have any doubts, you can write in the Q&A section related to the today's webinar. Okay, we will answer that question. So if anything you missed out or you have any confusion, so you can write down on your Zoom. There is a Q&A section. You can write down there. Second thing, I would like to say that we are doing partner resource training, where the staff of our channel partner are getting trained. So we have generated a Google form for that. Through that, we are collecting the data. If you have not filled that form, please put your staff detail in that so that we can arrange the training session. And it is a compulsory mandatory training. Only the those staff who have cleared the exam will be considered or counted in our record for the partners team. So that is very important actually to get yourself enrolled and get passed also. If you are not having the Google form, contact your sales team. They will provide you the link of the Google form, and through that you can get the auto registration of the course. Okay, so that's the thing I have to update you. So I think the today's webinar, nobody is having any Q&A. If anybody is having any doubt, you can write in the Q&A section. Okay, any question related to this any question related to this today's webinar, you can write down here in the Q&A section related to the managing the this electrical and electronic business in Busy. So these are the shops that we usually go and buy the electrical and electronic product. This refrigerator, TV, and washing machine, air condition, both the retail as well as this distributor, both kind of business can be managed in Busy. So that was the implementation that we have shown you today. There are many big clients in India who are using this feature. And in electronics, there are clients who are using more than 200 users also in this electronics business who are our client. So I think everything is clear. There is no Q&A. Okay, so we can close the session, Mansi.